So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the text font of some text here in Vista Create. So the first thing you have to do is open up Vista Create and add some text into your design. So to do that, either go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on text, or go to the top left and press on text as well. Either one will work. So for this demonstration, if I wanted to just type or make this a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see, there you go. Also too, if you wanted to edit the text font, press on the text right here, double tap it, go to the top left and go to where it says Open Sans or whatever the text font is called. Press on that, press on the drop down. Then if you go to the left hand side of your screen, you can view a whole bunch of different fonts here or search one up. So if you wanted to use maybe this one, the Aldrich font, you can use that. Alpha Slab 1, you can use that as well. Whatever the case may be, play around with it. You can search one up for yourself if you want as well. You can also view different types, like a decorative font right here. You can view, Abril fat face, whatever the case may be. There you go. Pretty straightforward. This is how to edit text font here in Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.